Hey, it's Chris from Driver Training. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to have a look at a few examples of using anticipation whilst driving. Now, as we're coming down, we're going to take the next road on the right. And if we look into this junction at this point, can you see it's what's called a closed junction? You can't see. Are there any parked vehicles? Is there anybody crossing the road? Are there any vehicles coming towards us? So we need to come down dead slow. We've got the car coming from ahead. So at this point, we know we're going to stop level with the centre white line. And realistically, it's at this point we should be looking into the road we're going to turn into to see what's there. Obviously, the camera doesn't allow us to do this. So as we come round, we stop there. And you can see he's got the brake lights on. So why? Is there something coming towards them? Is there someone crossing? Is that driver just pulling up to let someone out? We don't know. So we want to be going dead slow, thinking, what if? Now we can see there is a car. They've got a gap to get into for this vehicle, but it doesn't mean then that they're not going to come through. So we need to hold back, slow down and stop. Now, at the moment, you can see the car is waiting in that gap for us to come past. So we are okay to carry on through. We're looking around into the distance around the bend to see what's coming now with the parked vehicles. If something's coming the other way, we've just met one car, nothing to stop another car coming down. We need to be prepared to deal with it. Ahead in the bend, we've got more parked vehicles. We can't see what's coming the other way. So once again, what if? What if there's a car coming? Well, now we can see the road's getting narrower, so there would only be enough room for one vehicle. We've got the giveways, but at this point, nothing to give way to. And we can see the road bends round to the right. Now here, we don't have to signal like the car in front is, because there's only one way we can go. We're just following the road. We're not actually turning right. So that could be sometimes misconstrued that you're going to pull up in the bay on the right there. So it's better just generally not to. Now again, we're looking around the corner. We can't see anything that's happening down that road. So what if? What if there is people on bikes coming the other way, people with prams, pedestrians in the road, parked vehicles? This is your hazard perception in real life. We're making sure that if any of these people want to cross, so again, we come around dead slow, and there we go. Now, because the footpath is narrow, people will walk around each other, and you notice the footpath is level with the road, so they don't even think that they're stepping off onto the road. It's just a continuation. So as the driver, it's up to us to keep the pedestrians safe. Now here, it would be better just to stop. On this occasion, the pupil decides to go around the pedestrian, but as a result, we almost take out these wheelie bins on the right because the pupil was just looking at the pedestrian and wasn't looking at the whole picture in front of them. So we come round, we slow them down, then we come back across. Now, this pedestrian, are they going to cross? Do you notice the vehicle in front now has got its reverse lights on, because the ones on the edge of the car are brake lights. They've gone off. Now we're just left with the reverse lights. So we've got the pedestrian who potentially may want to come across. We've got the car reversing into the gap. So again, it would be better for us to just come up, stop, and let everyone take care of themselves. Now, it's not the best bit of reverse parking, unfortunately, but that's why we allow plenty of gap to allow people to do what they need to do. So we're going around them. which then gives them more room as well, to be honest, and feel less pressured in doing what they're doing. We're looking ahead, we've got the lights. Now, although we don't have the sign, we've got the road marking for give way. So that means we can see there's a row of shops on the left. That means there must be something able to come out of the right. The sign tells us we can't turn right, but what's coming down that road. So again, here, because of the cars, you've got to come up to the double broken white lines, look to the right, make sure it's safe, then go. The lights, are they going to change? And if they do, we have to respond to it. Now, looking around the corner, we can't see if it's clear, but that's how we use hazard perception and thinking, what if, to help us as a driver.